Hey guys, Loren here. Hey, I'm going to give you a quick video of what I've been doing here on my new office. A little easier maybe with a video than just pictures to kind of see it. First of all, this back wall is going to be all of our colors. I painted all the different colors that I can offer to my customers for the buildings that we make. There's the colors up there, and then down on the bottom that's some more colors. I've got everything stacked in here today because I trying to clean up in here, so it's not just the best time to take a video, but you'll kind of see. In the middle is going to be all our colors for our metal, all the different colors of metal that we offer customers for their buildings, and I kind of have them marked, and then I've cut strips, and they're going to all go in there over where where the colors are written in there, so that way you guys can kind of see, or my customers can kind of see actually you know, with their eyes, the actual color. It's kind of hard sometimes to tell in a brochure what it actually looks like. I tore down pallets for this wall and made a pallet wall, and I kind of like how that has turned out, kind of neat. Here's what I've been doing today. I've got a bunch of these sheets of siding my dad sanded down, and I burnt them all today, and that's what we're going to do in the back behind this wall, and I'll kind of show you that. This wall here is going to be where I'll have my counter. We have to do that yet. I'm going to build a counter along here so I can put my donuts and coffee, so when you all come in to show me all you're all building that you've did or you've bought and you're fixed up. I know a lot of you have. I'd love to see that. We can have donuts and coffee. How about that? This wall here is I've got just that old corrugated metal they used to have. I put that on there. Up at top I got a bunch of 2x4 ends that I cut and burnt. I've got these pieces that I'm going to put in back too, kind of in the way, so can't see it too good. Around the windows, and I trimmed them out with pallet wood, and then I got rope kind of for my kind of trim around them also. Need to get a little more rope. Got a couple more windows I ain't done. In the back is where we've been working. I had this ceiling board burnt a long time ago, just hadn't got it up. Vernon Zimmerman's helping me now. We got that all done yesterday or the day before. Time's getting away from me. My bathroom, we framed that in, and I've got it clean in there for Vernon this weekend. We're going to try to get a bunch more done, and be nothing but elbows and heinies in here, so hopefully it'll be nice and clean for him so he can get after it. But anyway, I'm kind of excited. Framed in a back door back there for us a while back. It was a roll-up door behind my bathroom there at one time, and we took that out when we first built it. We thought we'd use our golf cart that we got for all my customers, that I could take them around and show them the different buildings. We've got 50-60 buildings next to me in our plant where we build them at all times, so I take them around and show them all that. So anyway, kind of excited. It's getting closer. This has been a long project for us, kind of in between selling to customers and fixing up this lot over here on the corner of 130, or not 135, corner of 65 and V Highway, just 7 miles south of Sedalia. So it's been quite a project. So this office has taken us just a tad bit longer than we wanted to, but it's coming along. Really excited. This it's going to be neat once we got it all done. Flooring done will be our last thing. Put some lights up and put my desk in here, and we'll be ready for y'all. So anyway, yeah, this is what I've worked on today in the back area here. This is a 16 by 40. it's a deluxe cabin, and you know, if a person wanted to put one of these down even at the lake, on their lake lot or hunting cabin, you could kind of make this into your bedroom. We actually put a dividing wall in here for my office. We don't do that usually, so, but that would be something a person could do, and then you could kind of make this into your, you know, the living room and your little kitchenette in there, and have your front deck out there, and then you're in the back would be your little bedroom and a little bathroom. So it'd work pretty cool. Kind of excited to, I know some of you all have got them before and slowly fixing them up, and can't wait to see some of your guys' pictures of what you've all did. So anyway, hey, I'll let you go. Thought I'd give you a little video of everything, and you guys can holler at me if you need anything. Appreciate it.